Hello, welcome back or welcome to the channel. I'm Nancy, mind, body, fitness, and wellness coach, helping you reach your goal. In this video, I'm going to guide you through a series of yoga poses and guided meditation associated with Easter, designed to help you connect with the season, release any tension from your body and mind, and create space for new beginnings. And make sure you stay until the end for some guided meditation and breathing exercises that help you deepen your connection to this practice. Whether you're new to yoga or an experienced practitioner, this video is designed to create a sense of peace and renewal in your body and in your soul. All you're going to need is a rug, mat, or thick blanket, something to drink, water, coffee, tea, whatever works for you. Have my water ready. So without further ado, let's do it. The camel pose. This one represents humility, forgiveness, and compassion.
Begin by kneeling on the floor with your knees hip distance apart and your feet pointing straight back behind you. Push the pelvis forward, engage the core, push those shoulders back. Place your hands on your lower back with your fingers pointing down and your elbows pointing back behind you. Inhale as you engage your core and lift your chest up towards the ceiling. Exhale as you slowly begin to lean back using your hands to support your lower back. If you feel comfortable, you can bring your hands to your heels, one at a time, and gently press your hips forward to deepen the stretch. Continue to lean back, keeping your neck long and your gaze towards the ceiling or slightly behind you. Hold the pose for several breaths, breathing deeply and keeping your core engaged to support your lower back. Try to hold that position for a few moments, and if you feel you want to spend a few more, you can pause the video. When you're ready to release the pose, inhale as you lower your hips and bring your hands back to the floor. Good job.
The cow-cat pose. This one is associated with the idea of balance, as it represents the balance between light and dark, life and death. We're going to do 3 repetitions.
Start on your knees on your mat, carpet, blanket, whatever you have, totally fine. Knees hip distance apart. Your wrists directly under your shoulders and your knees directly under your hips. Inhale deeply, arching your spine and lifting your tailbone towards the ceiling. As you lift your tailbone, allow your belly to drop down towards the mat and lift your chin and chest toward the ceiling. Exhale and release the pose by rounding your spine into the cat pose. If your wrists hurt, place your forearms on the floor. If your kneecaps hurt, fold your mat or place a firm blanket under your knees. Inhale, slowly coming back into cow pose. And then we're going to exhale as we return to the cat pose. Release the crown of your head towards the floor, but don't force your chin to your chest. Engage the core, keep it nice and tight. And release slowly. Take a few deep breaths in each pose, feeling the stretch in your spine and front of your body. Even though we're contracting and engaging, we want to keep our shoulders relaxed and away from our ears. And also allow your head to hang freely. How are we feeling? Good job.
The child's pose, this is one of my favorites. It's associated with the idea of surrender and humility.
Start on your knees, together, wider apart, or way wider apart, whatever feels good for your body. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly lower your hips back towards your heels, extending your arms out in front of you. You can rest your head on the mat or on a block and let your neck relax. If you had tight shoulders or neck, you can rest your head on a block or a cushion to elevate your forehead and reduce strain. You can bring your arms back alongside your body, palms facing up, or you can place your hands on the ground beside your head. I like to engage my back as much as possible, so I place my hands right over my buttocks. You can also try to keep them right over your head or in front of you. Really depends where you're feeling the most tension and what makes you feel good. If you have tight hips, you can place a blanket or cushion between your calves and thighs. And I find it helpful to lower my hips a little more to release tension from my hips. Hold the pose for as long as you need to past the video. Past the video. To come out of the pose, gently bring your hands back underneath your shoulders and slowly lift your torso back up to a kneeling position or sitting position.
Nice job, everybody. How are we feeling? Take a sip of water or your coffee, your tea. Our next one is going to be the reclining butterfly pose. This pose is associated with the idea of rebirth and transformation.
Sit on the floor with your legs extended out in front of you. Bend your knees and bring the soles of your feet together, letting your knees fall apart to the sides. And adjust your feet so that they are close to your body, but not so close that you feel any discomfort in your hips. Slowly lower your back down to the mat using your hands to support your head and neck if needed. Allow your arms to rest comfortably at your sides or over your head with your palms facing each other or up. Now we're going to raise our hips. This is optional. You don't have to do this. Or you can place a cushion right under your hips to get some support. Inhale as you bring your hips up. Try to hold it for a couple of seconds. And slowly we're going to bring them back down. Close your eyes and take several deep breaths, allowing your body to relax and sink into the pose. You can stay in the pose for as long as you like. To release the pose, gently bring your knees together and roll onto your side, or using your hands to help you sit up.
Good job on those yoga poses. I know you're doing your best. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me today. It is truly a pleasure to have you all here with me. All right, let's move on to the next thing, the guided meditation. This is going to help us get even deeper into this practice. This guided meditation involves focusing your attention on the idea of renewal and new beginnings. We are going to be visualizing shredding the old self and welcoming a new improved version of ourselves. Imagine a sense of lightness and freedom as you let go of the past and embrace the new amazing future God has in store for you. Ready? Let's do it. You can extend your legs, or you can keep your feet on the floor. You can extend your arms over your head or sideways, face up or down. It's really up to you. I like to keep my hands, palms facing up and my legs just extended, feeling relaxed. Let's begin.
Close your eyes and visualize a white light at the center of your being, radiating outwards to fill your entire body. As you inhale, imagine that you're drawing in fresh, clean air and energy, filling your body with renewal and vitality. As you exhale, imagine that you're releasing all of the old, stagnant energy and negativity from your body and mind. Continue to breathe in this way, visualizing the white light filling you with renewal and vitality with each inhale, and releasing all the old, stagnant energy and negativity with each exhale. If your mind starts to wander, you become distracted, it's okay. Gently bring your focus back to your breath and the visualization of the white light. Continue to meditate in this way as long as it feels comfortable for you. When you're ready to end the meditation, Take a few deep breaths and slowly open your eyes, taking a moment to reorient yourself before moving on with your day. Please be patient and gentle with yourself and approach Easter with an open mind and heart.
Oh, I hope you're feeling how I'm feeling. I'm feeling amazing, ready to get a good workout in after stretching my body. If you are interested in getting a good one in too, I'm leaving a list of different workouts, whether you want to lose weight, tone your body, get more mobile or flexible. These workouts are great for you. Remember to like, subscribe, ring the bell so you won't miss any of these videos. And if you have any ideas, you like this video, let me know. I really appreciate feedback. Until then, please take good care of yourself, keep doing the good thing, and enjoy the season. Enjoy this amazing time of remembering what Easter is all about. Take care. Adios.